Hello and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be an unboxing. Let's get started. On this video, it's going to be the installation of these arms. These are from a 2020 Dodge Charger, and I want to give a big thanks to Specialty Product Company for allowing me to review this product. Now, let me talk a little bit about it. You're wondering, you have a 2020 Dodge Charger. Why do you want to change your upper control arms? Well, these cars, the 2020 Dodge, the Dodge Chargers come with a little negative camber. This is going to allow you to straighten that negative camber on your car. The way this works has an adjustment, and this is going to allow the alignment shop to adjust and align your camber the way it's supposed to. So it also has for your toe. All you do is move it up and move this little square thing and it'll move the toe. But I'm going to set it at 0 and have the alignment shop do all that, so that it's nice and straight. All right, here we go. First of all, you got to take off your wheel and make sure that your car is secured. So mine is secured. Let's start removing this bolt right here. I already did the other side. I'm going to show you just on one side. It's exactly the same steps. Let's remove this bolt. I'm going to put the jack underneath this lower control arm so that all of this won't fall. Also, you're going to have to remove all this section of your car. The bolts for the upper control arms are right in the back, so you're gonna have to remove all this. Just be aware. There you go. We already loosened it. So once you start, I do have my jack on the bottom that's gonna be holding this arm. So loosen it up, it'll fall down. There you go. The arm is loose from this shackle right here. Now we're gonna go on the engine bay and we start removing the 2 bolts that it has. First of all, you're going to have to loosen the overflow reservoir because the bolt is right there. So just loosen it up, put it in the side, you'll be good. Start removing that one. The other bolt is right there. Once you unloosen it, this thing falls. Just remove the bolts and you're good. It'll come out. Here we go. Now these arms are directional. It does have a left and a right, so just be aware which side you're gonna be putting. Let's take it to the car and install it. Now to install it, do the exact same thing but in reverse. Put your bolts in, then tighten it, and there you go. I placed this all the way to the front. Now when I take it to the alignment shop, they can adjust it, put it wherever they need to put it. But there it is, all good. All tightened. Now let's put the wheel back on and we're done. And there it is. The car is aligned. The camber is fixed. And that is good. So now if you want to get some of these products they got for every single vehicle on the market, go to the description below. All the information to this and more of their products are going to be there. Thank you, and I'll see you this coming weekend.